Matching your door style might seem like a difficult task, but it can actually be accomplished in 4 steps. First, take a look at the corner of your cabinet. Here you'll be able to determine if it is a cope and stick joint or a mitered joint. The difference is that a cope and stick joint forms a 90-degree angle, while a mitered joint creates a 45-degree angle. Next, take a look at the center panel. You'll need to make a note of whether the panel is flat or raised and whether it is square on top or arched. The next step is matching your inside and outside edge detail. It could be very helpful to take a clear photo of the outside and inside edges for reference. Now that you have all that information on your door, it's time to start browsing options. Unfortunately, there's no easy trick to this, but the filtered list you've made will help this last step be much more manageable. If you're having trouble matching your door, we do offer a matching service. Simply fill out our request form and submit 3 pictures of your door. If you already took pictures of the inside and outside edge of your door, all you'll need is a picture of the whole door. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.